Halo, welcome to Recompound. Sebelum kita mulai, there are just one thing that needs to be communicated very very clearly to every of our customers. Ini bukan janji, lebih ke ekspektasi. Ekspektasinya cukup banyak, tapi dia nggak rumit dan cukup sederhana untuk dipahamin. Akan tetapi bukan berarti ekspektasinya itu amat sangat mudah. Justru kelihatannya sederhana, tapi sebenarnya tidak mudah. Pertama-tama kalau misalnya kamu datang ke Recompound dengan mindset, oh masuk, terus cepet cuan, terus hidupnya tenang, stop di sini. Karena kita nggak pernah janji-janjiin kamu cuan berapa, terus cepet apa juga. Gitu. Tapi yang kita coba do our best adalah give you investment process to maximize your long-term profitability, not short-term gains. Jadi Recompound bukanlah tempat untuk berspekulasi atau trading harian atau cari adrenalin. Recompound ada untuk satu hal, yaitu menumbuhkan portfolio secara rasional dan berkelangsungan. The simple rule is that this is a long-term journey. Ini ekspektasi pertama yang amat sangat tidak bisa dinegosiasi. Kalau kamu berharap hasil minggu depan atau bulan depan atau abis top up langsung naik, you will be disappointed. Dan I'm pretty sure kalau misalnya kamu udah sign up di sini, I'm pretty sure you understand that. So the next thing that I want to communicate adalah analogi yang bisa kita pakai untuk memahami cara kerja Recompound dengan baik. Yaitu pakai Recompound itu it's very similar to a weight loss journey. Kelihatannya very very simple, makan lebih sehat, olahraga, tidur cukup, simple kan? Semua orang tahu. Tapi berapa banyak yang bisa melakukan hal tersebut secara konsisten? Tentunya tidak banyak. Dan investasi itu sama. Jadi, let's go into the expectations one by one that you kind of need to execute on a day-to-day basis that allows you to invest better for the long term. That is quite similar in spirit that losing weight in the long term. Jadi ekspektasinya adalah information diet. Ekspektasi ini kelihatannya amat sangat mudah untuk dikerjakan, tapi actually it's not that easy. Jadi kami mengharapkan kamu tidak terlalu konsumsi terlalu banyak noise, tidak terlalu terpengaruh oleh influencer saham yang menjanji-janjikan returns yang tinggi, tidak ikut euforia market yang sedang rally, dan juga tidak terlalu panik ketika marketnya lagi crash. Karena itu tidak membantu portfolio kamu sama sekali. Simple rule, kalau misalnya informasi itu bikin kamu cemas, atau overly optimistic, atau FOMO, you can block it from your social media or from your phone or whatever. Terus ekspektasi berikutnya adalah try your best to not check prices during the market hours. Try your best not to do that. Karena kalau misalnya kamu ngecek harga saham setiap jam, itu biasanya number one, very distracting. And then number two, you are doing long-term investment, not day trading. So if you check your stock prices every now and then, it's basically like, emotional trading instead of investing for the long term. Jadi cara eksekusinya adalah you can block your price checking app, terus you can allow yourself to log into your laptop every week to check the prices occasionally aja. Tapi don't worry, what we'll do is we will update investment thesis and as well as the companies that you're investing in, supaya kayak kamu tahu you're abreast with the businesses that you are investing as a busy professional. Next expectation adalah for you to be communicative. Kalau misalnya kamu ada masalah atau kamu ada merasa janggal, just ask. Because this WhatsApp group is created personally for you. Kalau misalnya kamu ada pertanyaan, Budi and I are resources that you can use. Jadi kalau misalnya ada yang kurang puas, jangan dipendem, tapi boleh dikomunikasikan dengan baik ke kita so that kita bisa address those expectations as early as possible when they arise. Terus ekspektasi berikutnya adalah be careful with your friends. Kita juga lumayan berharap kamu bisa lebih waspada tentang your friends. Karena biasanya mereka-mereka lah kalau misalnya yang lagi bull market, mereka yang paling sok jago. Terus kalau misalnya lagi bear market, mereka yang paling panik, suruh kabur aja dulu kayak gitu. Every now and then you would see those kind of people in our circle friend group gitu kan, which is fine. And hopefully mereka juga, they are going through a phase basically, and then hopefully they would be better investors also in the long term. Tapi if you are already in the recompound phase, you are already like, better than most people, I would say. Because not a lot of people want to take their investments seriously. Jadi ekspektasinya kita terhadap kamu adalah tetap tenang, then don't surrender to the herding mentality that is very, very easy and very, very comforting for you to do. Stick to the plan, the strategy. If you have any questions, Budi and I are here as a resource. And this is going to be the final expectation or like the final truth that you need to hear before we start. Okay? The question is as follows. Who's going to make you rich? Gitu kan. Siapa yang akan bikin kamu kaya? The person who's going to make you rich is yourself. It's not us, but it's yourself. Your career, your skill, your discipline, your time horizon. And Recompound is just a vehicle, it's a vessel for you to be helped to reach those goals. Tapi ultimately, you are the ones who are the master of your own fate. Dan kita mencoba sebisanya kita in your investment department aja. So this is our expectations for you. Tapi jujur aja, doesn't really mean that the expectation is easy for you to execute. Kalau kamu nyaman dengan ini semua, welcome to Recompound, and I look forward to working with you. Cheers!